All right, the CFPB sued Equifax and they sued Experian. TransUnion, you're next. You know why they got sued? They got sued because they were reinserting previously deleted items from people's credit reports. So items that were deleted, they reinserted them back onto people's credit report. And I'm sure that somebody on this video right now, somebody that's watching this video, it has happened to you. If you've had previously deleted item reinserted on your credit, I want you to comment below. Let me know what's going on, guys, because I made a complaint, right? So using this lawsuit and these case laws, I was able to make a complaint for Experian and one for Equifax. TransUnion, you're next. So I also went ahead and made a complaint for TransUnion as well. So below, I'm going to give you guys 3 complaints for the price of 1. Yep. So this is what's going to happen. The lawsuit clearly says Equifax and Experian, right? Previously deleted items that should not be on your credit. It was unverifiable. They could not verify the information. It was inaccurate. It got deleted. But then a new creditor bought the item, bought the debt or whatever they did, and they reinserted it back on your credit. And they did not properly check and vet the information. Now, if a previously deleted item gets reinserted back on your credit, guys, 15 USC 1681 I5B clearly says that you're supposed to get some notices. And these notices that you're supposed to get, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? They never send them out. And this is the reason why they got sued. So if you've experienced a deleted item got reinserted back to your credit, you need to get the complaints below. It is inside of the description. Get the complaints below, file them with the CFPB, file them with the BBB, and go get those accounts deleted from your credit. They just got sued for it. Why should you suffer with bad credit, with this erroneous information on your credit when the consumer reporting agencies, aka the credit bureaus, broke the law and you're the one suffering for it? Why? How does that make sense? It does not make sense. Get the link below, right? You're gonna see both of them. You're gonna see the CFPB. It's called the, let me see what it's called. It's called the Experian Equifax TransUnion reinsertion complaint. That's what it's called. So it's below. Get it below. Get your credit right. Go get it deleted from your credit. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.